Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, how are you? So my dear viewers, as you know that this channel English with Malik Farhan also deals with nature. First we have visited Fortmanru, but it was just a glimpse of that visit, and number of complaints, number of requests were there that Sir Farhan, you must upload the complete video of nature, the beauty of nature and the sights of these amazing, you can say that these amazing sceneries. So my dear viewers, we are going to explore the beauty of Fortmanru.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So my dear viewers, today we are going to enjoy the beauty of Fortmanru with the help of different sceneries, different clips, video clips and sights captured in my camera. You know, beauty of Fortmanru is known as the beauty of Murray of southern Punjab as well. So look at this. This one is the way towards Fortmanru. How nice the way is. All around us there are mountains. If you are lover nature, please do visit this area, Fortmanru. Okay, after these are the sites which we really love. If you are nature lovers, you must visit this area. The weather was so nice. All around us there was sceneries, there was a number of sites to visit. Now look at the sights, how nice these views are. You know, the clouds are kissing the mountains. They are just a feel that they are having a kiss of mountains. Wow, this is nature, unbelievable. So beautiful sights we captured over here. You know, this is the steel bridge of Fortmanru, an amazing, you can say an amazing construction. Look at this, nice. Wow, what a nice view you can capture over here. So this was the beauty of Fortmanru. If you still didn't visit this area, please go there and enjoy the beauty of Fortmanru. This was that lake surrounded by the mountains. This was the lake surrounded by mountains. Wow, what a beautiful clip, what a beautiful capture of nature, what a beautiful view of nature we can capture over here. So the area of Fortmanru is rich in the sites, really near to, close to nature. Definitely there is no doubt that Fortmanru is known as Murray of southern Punjab. So go there and visit this area. Nature lovers, definitely visit this, cause if you want to embrace, if you want to hug nature, visit Fortmanru, especially the persons, the locality living in Multan, Maks, they must go there and enjoy the weather over there, especially in winter season or in any other season after the month of October. Got that? So nature lovers, go there, go there, go there. Thank you so much for watching this video and enjoying the sights of beauty in Fortmanru. Have a blessed time. Bye bye.